Hi you guys, welcome to Levon's Divine Touch. Today I want to go over where you can get braiding hair. So I like to use all different kinds. There's not a specific one that I like to use, but I do know Sally's has a little bit, but if you go to the warehouse, the beauty supply warehouse, they have literally every color, starting from the price of $1 all the way up to $6. Like literally every color you can think of in like every length you can think of. So if you're wondering where you can buy braiding hair, I will leave the link down below. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.